Alright, what's up guys? This is Mark Augustine here, and in this video what we're going to talk about is what you're going to need to make $100 a day with Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. In the description I'll put a link to our Telegram group. You should join the Telegram group. I'll also put a link to my Facebook group, so you can join the Grindcam community and join the dropshipping community, where we share some secrets, we share some strategy, we talk about what we're doing in e-commerce. So I previously made a video on what you will need to make $100 a day dropshipping on Amazon. You need about $12,000 in credit, and I know that seems like a lot, but at the end of the day you'll be making $3,000 a month in profit, money that you could spend. So with Facebook you actually need a lot less, and I'll go through the math, but I'll explain why you need a lot less. Two main reasons. One, Facebook generally you will make more than 10% profit margin, and two, on the Facebook Marketplace they only charge 5% final value fee, or 5% of the sales cost, as opposed to Amazon that charges 15%. Now why would you sell on Amazon if Facebook is charging less? Amazon and Walmart are easier to scale to making a ton of money, $10,000, $20,000 profit. Facebook on the other hand is a lot harder because there's a lot less buyers, a lot more competition, but for those of you guys with limited cash or credit, Facebook is a good place to start. So, you want to make $100 a day on Facebook. So, generally speaking, to make $100 a day, you're going to be selling about $1,000 a day. If you're selling items about $100 per item, you're selling just about 10 items a day. So, fulfilling the orders wouldn't be the end of the world. Now, once you sell $1,000 a day, you're going to be charged 5%. So that'll take you to $950. Then let's say you make $100 on that 1,000. Your cost of goods for that day would be $850. Now the good thing on Facebook is that Facebook pays you 5 days after the item is shipped. So you're going to need about 5 days worth of cost of goods sold instead of 2 weeks like Amazon. So if you take $850 and multiply that by 5, that would give you $4,250 of credit. So that's one. Secondly, you're going to need software. You're going to need software to do product research, and you're going to need software to do price tracking. And FBM Fox is the number one piece of software for Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. At the number of listings you'll need to buy about the package with FBM Fox that costs you about $79. And you want to have about 6 months worth of expenses to properly run your business without stressing out. So 6 by $80 is $480. So you're going to need just about $5,000 startup capital, whether that's cash or credit, to run a Facebook Marketplace dropshipping business and make $100 a day. So guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, let me know in the comment section what you think. Have a good one, guys. Peace.